Don't mess with me now. I ain't lost all day. It's gonna be close. Let's see. It's close. That was super close.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's going on, YouTube? This is MERCERMILLIONS coming at you again with another trading video. Here to show you how I make money in minutes. The goal right now is to make $500 in 3 minutes. I want you guys to think about this. If you got a regular job right now, how much do you make an hour? How much do you make an hour? And how in the world can you make $500 in 3 minutes? I'm actually about to show you guys how. I am trading on my live account as well. I'm using an app called Hourglass. You guys may have heard of it. It's an extremely popular app, #1 app in the trading community right now. It's from I Am Master Academy, which is the #1 trading academy in the industry right now. And I'm going to be using this platform to basically get my signals. I'm also going to be using TradingView to kind of mark up my chart and see what the market is doing and get a second look. As you guys can see, I was on the downtrend earlier and it just broke my trend line and just went crazy. That's like the beauty behind actually using TradingView to mark up your chart. So enough talking. I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. The goal is to get $500 in 3 minutes. I already set up my account. I'm investing $338 to get a $381 payout. The percentages actually changed, so I'm gonna shift this because I'm just looking to get 500. My days of over trading, over leveraging, and all of that is over. So if the goal is 500, then we're gonna get to 500. So my investment is $291. My payout is gonna be 500. I'm trading AUD USD, and the platform that I'm using today is called Quotex. If you're looking for a free broker to trade on, or a demo broker, or an easy broker to trade on, I'll go ahead and drop the link and you can start a demo account with it and start trading. Or you can go live. You can put as little as 10 bucks in the market and start flipping it. Cool. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna walk you guys through how I find my trade. So first off, AUD USD. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up in TradingView. AUD USD, so I can kind of get a little view on what is going on. I'm gonna delete this old stuff and see what the market is doing. I'm looking at it on a 1 minute time frame. This is not like traditional forex where you're looking at like the hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart. This is like super micro pips, so every little baby move in the market matters. So I'm looking at the 1 minute. So one thing I'm gonna do is go to the hour. And what I want to do here is just find the highs and the lows for the hour, so I know where my ceiling and know where my floor is, and just kind of get a visual of what I'm looking at as far as how high the market can go and how low the market can go. So go ahead and mark this top right here. Actually, I'm gonna put this down here. Blue is for buys. So once it gets to that blue zone, I'm looking for buys. And I'm going to go ahead and put in another line. And once it gets to the top of this hour, I'm looking for sales. So I'm going to go ahead and make that red. All right, so that's the window that I'm trading in. So what I do from there is go down to the lower time frame, go to the 5 minute. Now look how beautifully this respected this. Now, if price came here and I put in a sale, I would have easily put myself in a position to make money. Let's see if there's anything else that I see that I want to mark up here before we get into this trade. Okay, so I think that may be it. So we're in a 1 minute. Nothing too significant I see actually. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this little baby little trend line. It's not really a complete trend yet, but just in case, if it comes in this area and looks like it bounced off, it could create a little mini trend. All right, so this is basically all I need from TradingView. I just need a window to see what I'm looking at as far as trading. All right, now we got Hourglass. Now this is the secret sauce right here. This is the app that actually gives me the signals to make my money. Now what I look for in this app, make sure we're in the right thing. AU. Hold on 1 second, guys. Make sure AUD USD. Make sure I'm on right stuff. I gotta refresh the screen sometimes because it makes fit signals every 5 minutes. So I just want to make sure all my information is up to date. And let me find AU. AUD. Where are you? At the bottom. All right, so the first thing I look at right here is called the currency strength meter. Now, why is this valuable, the currency strength meter? The currency strength meter is basically telling us what the strength of each currency is and how it's going to affect each other. So AUD, Australian dollar, is at 17 right now. USD, US dollar, is at 40. So what that tells me, with AUD being weaker and USD being stronger, that means the market should be dropping. That means I have a sell bias. Now, if it was flipped the other way around, if AUD was stronger, then I'm looking for buys. But since AUD is weaker, I'm looking for sales. So I'm only going to take sell trades just because off top, this is in my favor. So I already put myself at a higher probability of winning money by just following the instructions. So I'm looking for sales. Cool. So what I'm going to do is wait for my sell opportunity right now. We're going to call, and as you guys can see, the market went up. The app called the call. It said the market was going to go up, and it's going to go up. With keys down here, these basically give you direction of the market. When it's super, super, super low, you want to look for buy opportunities because it has no choice but to go up. And then when it's super high, you want to look for sell opportunities because it has no choice but to go down. So as you can see, when the market was in these areas, when it was over this red line, that's a sell signal. And as you can see, we got the drop. And these are 5-minute candles, and we're only doing 3-minute trades. So we would have easily won these trades. Even right here, when it was very high right here, kind of high right here, and it pushed down, you see we got all those sales. You see it was super low here, and it's pushing up, and then we got the buy signal. So literally all we do with this app is just follow the signal. The app does all the work for us. The program does all the work for us. But enough talking. Let's see what I want to do with this. So I do want to look for a sale. Every 5 minutes, I get a new candle. So we're just going to wait 2 minutes, and hopefully we get that sale candle. Let's see what it's doing on TradingView. So I'm looking for sales. See, it's hitting a little zone right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up. Price was a floor right here, and now price is a ceiling right here. So this is what's called a zone or reversal zone, or a key level or a key zone, whatever you want to call it. So it looks like I got a cool setup. Now I'm just looking for the sell signal at this point. So I'm gonna wait. We got 1 more minute. Now I usually don't put in a trade right away because there's still a lot of buyers in this candle, so it still might push up. Because if I'm looking for a sell, I want to get it at its highest point. I want to get it like somewhere up in this area, take the sell, and look for it to drop. So right when this candle come up, I'm not gonna get in right away, but I am gonna wait maybe 30 seconds to a minute for the market to push up and then get in. And if it just drops and I miss my opportunity, I'm okay with that. I'll just wait for the next setup. But what I'm looking for, the ideal setup, is for me to get the red sell candle. And we're gonna see if that pops up. And if we don't get the red sell candle, we'll wait. And then I'm gonna go to Quotex and I'm gonna wait for it to push up so I can get the absolute best entry. I wanna catch it at its highest point, and it should spike up. And if it spikes up, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my sell, and we're gonna make some money. So it looks like it's respecting this line. I would like for it to go a little higher. That's good. Yeah, I want it to push up so it can push down. So cool. So we at the 30-minute mark. Boom. I called it. We got our sell signal. So now I'm just gonna wait for the market to push up a little bit for me to get my best possible position. Let's see what they're suggesting I get in at. They're suggesting I get in at 328. That's a good push up. Let me take that sell. All right, so we got this position in for a $500 profit. So we have 1 minute left for this to clear, and this is basically how you make 500 bucks. This is my payout, 500 bucks in 3 minutes. So like I said, this is a platform that I use pretty much every day to make a lot of money. We have a 3-day trial where you guys can actually come and trade with me and my team and learn how to use these apps and programs. And I'll go ahead and let you know right now, the intentions is for you to actually officially join the team. You do have to pay, of course. You know, you got to pay to play. So to get access to this app, it's $1.99 to start. So as you can see, if you can sit here and make 500 bucks in 3 minutes, it's $1.99 for the investment. And I literally do this every day, and I can show you my trade history. So I lost a couple trades, yep. But look at all these that I won, and these are all from today. So literally today I only lost 2 trades. This one is trying to play with me. This needs to go ahead and drop so I can make my money. I'm doing this for the YouTube. Come on now, don't mess with me now. I ain't lost all day. It's gonna be close. Let's see. It's close. That was super close. The crazy part about it, it only has to be like 1 pip lower. That was super close, I must say. It didn't drop like I wanted it to drop, but I got the win here. Took a couple losses here, but you know, overall for the day, I killed it. You know, this is my live account, but you know, did pretty good for the day. So I just wanted to show you guys the platform that I use, the Hourglass. If you want more information on this, like I said, we have a free trial where you can actually learn this. Not super in-depth, but just enough to get your demo account started up and get some practicing. Quotex, if you need a broker to practice on, I'll go ahead and throw that link below as well. And you can start with that with as little as like 10 bucks, I believe. And you can actually start trading. I wouldn't advise you to start trading until you actually get on the team or get some practice, so you won't lose money. And this is TradingView. This is what I use to kind of just get another angle on the market and look at everything more in depth. So that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you tapping in. And also, I just want to show you guys my trade history real quick, just so you can see the frequency of my wins. So we got a couple L's right there. Like, yep, we definitely lose trades. But you know, my win to loss ratio is really nice for today. Just want to show you guys the whole rundown. You know, and once again, these are all from today. See, so got a couple losses down there, a whole lot of wins, a couple more losses, but overall profitable for today. And I'm just compounding this account a little bit by a little every day until I get it to 6 figures. So that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you guys tapping in. Definitely will enjoy you guys coming in on the 3-day trial so we can teach you some more tactics and strategies, and get you guys on the team, and at least get you guys a demo account to get set up so you can get familiar with the platform. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys chiming in, and everybody have a great day.
Everybody who's on this call, if you get down with us, if you join this family, not just a team, this is a family. These people show me more love than people I grew up with my whole life. If you join this family, you don't have to go crazy like I did. That's just a choice that I made. Because what I noticed was that this is a vehicle to fund the dreams that I've had since I was a little kid to go big in music. But I had the best, I know people at that work with Warner Chappell record labels. I know people, before I knew J-Mo, I already knew people working with Kendrick Lamar. I already met Kendrick Lamar. I met a lot of people. I know Pharrell's brother. I got his phone number. I call him right now. But guess what? If you don't have money, you can't go to the studio. They told me you the dopest artist, bro, that I've ever met. But you ain't got money, bro. So we can't work with you. So I had to do something different because my 9 to 5 wasn't paying it. So $235 to start, That gets you the basic academy for foreign exchange. I didn't know how to trade on a chart. I had never looked at a chart. I never did stocks. I didn't know anything. All I knew was that I needed something different. I did know that. So I shelled out the 235. Looking back 7 months later, I'm not even tripping. Honestly, it's the best money I ever spent in my life. J-Mo, you got it, bro.
Okay, so look, we got a couple minutes left, right? So you guys are here with me right now. You guys are giving me the most valuable thing that you have. The most valuable thing you have right now is your time. And you are giving it to us, and we appreciate that greatly. My job, when I talk to anybody about this business, I want to make sure you leave with value. Even if you decide not to sign up, that's cool. At the end of the day, we still gonna build, we still gonna win, and you might circle back around later. You know what I'm saying? But I want to make sure you leave with some value. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna let you know how this business brought value to my life. I'm currently in the military. A lot of you guys have jobs, and it's cool. I support that. Get your money. I have a job as well. I work 40 plus hours a week. If you don't believe me, do you see this? I'm full-time military. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, you might have a job and you can use the extra income. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can use extra income. You might have a hustle and you can use some extra income. I got a hustle as well. I got plenty of hustles. I do graphic design. I do videos. I still do one-on-one coaching for marketing. And I'm able to squeeze this into my life. You know what I'm saying? With any entrepreneurship or any journey in your life, you need mentorship, right? You need a coach. You need some guidance. Guess what? You got that. This is the value. You know what I'm saying? You got coaches, you got mentors, you got people to look up to. You got people that's ranked above you and people that's ranked below you that's all on the same life journey as you. Everybody that's on this call right now is on the same life journey as you. They're even trying to figure it out. They're trying to get out of a situation, or they're just trying to level up or add a new income to their life. But at the end of the day, we are all here to find financial freedom. We all want support. I'm going to give you value. This is the value. You got support with us. Support, 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 support. You can't do nothing without support. Everybody in this circle is here to help you build, to help you grow, to stay motivated. You know what I mean? It is a value. It is of a high value to be a part of this group. Are you paying your money? Awesome. Yes, you're invested in yourself. But what I do want to let you know, this is probably going to be one of the best investments you ever made, because you're going to have a new circle, a new team, and you're going to be getting value. Value, 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 value. Anytime you come across my page, anytime you come across people that are representing MMO or Forex, we are trying to get